of the Constitution of India.
Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh today reiterated that the Articles 371 and 6th Schedule cannot go together. Speaking to newsmen in Shillong today, Lyngdoh said that laws like the Land Transfer Act is being implemented in the state because of the 6th Schedule. And laws like the Citizenship Amendment Act is being exempted in Meghalaya because of the provisions of the 6th Schedule. Lyngdoh recollected that he himself had opposed this idea way back in 2015.
In asserting that in any arrangement where the 6th Schedule is in operation, there is no possibility of Article 371 being invoked. It's as clear as daylight. Both the 6th Schedule and Article 371 cannot coexist in a single system. A very clear example is that of the state of Mizoram, where Article 371 covers the entire Mizoram except for the 3 autonomous district councils which have been constituted to cater to the needs of other tribals, meaning tribals within Mizoram who are non-Mizos.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma